So, pagkatapos natin i-set up yung bed, i-perform naman natin yung turn down service. So, ano yung tinatawag natin turn down service? Ginagawa ito kapag 6 p.m. Meaning to say, matutulog na si guest. So, ano mga ginagawa kapag turn down service? I-fold natin ito ng 90 degrees. And then, ilagay ang amenities. Tupihin natin yung towels. And then, bed runner. And then, tanggalin natin yung extra pillows. And then, itong mga to ilagay natin sa tamang lalagyan. Tapos, i-adjust natin yung temperature ng aircon, isara ang curtain, and then i-adjust yung lights. Okay, naintindihan? Turn down service.
That's